Okay, good morning. Monday morning here in Acworth, Georgia. We're waiting for the insulation inspection here in this addition that we're building at. I just want to throw some thoughts about it. A lot of people ask, what is an insulation? And insulation is no more than a fiberglass material that is going to keep the heat and the livable space in the house to be more efficient. Retaining the heat inside the livable space. The values are defined by the international code, and the insulation is necessary on the exterior walls and between the unfinished and finished areas. As you see behind me, we have the exterior walls insulated already. Let me turn on this camera a little bit. I forgot how to do this. Let's see. We have on the ceiling, you can put a blow-in insulation, you can put a foam insulation. In this case, we use insulation batts in order to get this done. Behind me on exterior walls, we have all the insulation already in place. Fireplace is connected, all the roughing is done. We're waiting for the drywall in order to pass inspection and start actually covering the walls. The values on the exterior walls, the minimum is R13. Between livable and unfinished space is going to be R19. On the ceilings close to the attic, it should be R30. That's pretty much the standard on the code here in Georgia. And the insulation is this one that we use is insulation fiberglass, but you can have some foam insulation with cells, without it. You can have rolls, you can have batts, blow-in. Is different type of it, but in this specific one we keep it simple. We use insulation batts, and we're waiting the inspection to be completed today to be able to close off the walls. Really excited about this project. We have some issues along the way for some framing issues with the Cobb County Inspection Department. We already corrected. We brought an engineer here in order to take care of it, and he suggested the solutions for these issues in order to get it solved. I just want to shoot a quick video about what we're doing, and I'm going to start doing it in a more regular basis. It's really out of my comfort zone, to be honest, but at the same time I want to provide some value for the people that are watching. I appreciate this small time with me. Stay tuned, because we're going to do a lot of live videos starting today. I'm committed to shoot at least 2 of them in a daily basis. I'm going to head down to Atlanta in a few minutes in order to show you a couple of projects that we have going on over there. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, just drop it off on the comments, and I'll see you then.